Hey TikTokers, want to make your videos go viral? You're in the right place. It's your girl, Charlie, and I'm so excited to share some seriously awesome tips to help you totally crush it on TikTok. Today, we're diving into the top 5 tips to help your TikTok videos blow up. Get ready to take notes, because these are the secrets to unlocking major views, likes, and followers. Let's go! Okay, so, you know how important your fans are, right? They are the lifeblood of your content, the ones who cheer you on and share your videos with the world. Without them, your content wouldn't have the same impact. They're the absolute best. Their enthusiasm and support are what keep you going, and it's essential to acknowledge that. Well, one way to show them some love and make your videos go viral is to create challenges based on what they want to see. This not only engages them but also makes them feel valued and heard. Think about it, your followers are already obsessed with you and your content, so why not give them a chance to be a part of it? By involving them, you create a sense of community and belonging. Start by asking them what kind of challenges they'd be down to try. Use polls, questions, and comments to gather their ideas. This way, you get a direct insight into what they enjoy and want to see more of. Maybe it's a dance challenge, a comedy skit, or even a lip-sync battle. The possibilities are endless, and the more creative you get, the more excited your fans will be. Or even something totally unique and out there. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and come up with something that hasn't been done before. Once you've got some ideas, it's time to put your own spin on it. Add your personal touch to make it stand out and reflect your unique style. Make it super fun, easy to follow, and something that everyone can get involved in. The more accessible and enjoyable it is, the more likely people are to participate. Don't forget to come up with a catchy hashtag so you can keep track of all the amazing entries. A memorable hashtag will help your challenge gain traction and visibility. Trust me, when your followers see that you're actually listening to them and creating content based on their ideas, they're going to be so stoked. They'll feel appreciated and more connected to you. They'll be more likely to participate, share your videos, and tag their friends, which means more views for you. This ripple effect can significantly boost your reach and engagement. Remember, TikTok is all about having fun and connecting with others, so make sure you're genuinely excited about the challenges you're creating. Your passion will shine through and inspire others. Your energy and enthusiasm will be contagious, and that's what will really make your videos stand out. People are drawn to positive vibes and authentic content, so go ahead and show your audience some love by creating challenges just for them. It's a fantastic way to build a loyal and engaged community. You never know, you might just start the next big TikTok trend. The sky's the limit when you listen to your fans and create content that resonates with them. Alright, let's talk about trending sounds. You know those catchy songs and audio clips that everyone's using on TikTok? Yeah, those are like gold for going viral. Think about it. When you're scrolling through your For You page, you're way more likely to stop and watch a video if it has a sound you recognize and love. It's like an instant connection. The familiarity of the sound draws you in, making you feel part of a larger community. So how do you find trending sounds? It's actually super easy. TikTok makes it really accessible for everyone. First, just spend some time browsing TikTok and pay attention to the music and sounds that keep popping up. The more you explore, the more you'll notice certain sounds being used repeatedly. You'll start to notice some patterns and hear the same songs over and over again. These are the sounds that are currently trending and have the potential to boost your video's visibility. Another way to find trending sounds is to look at the Discover page. This page is a goldmine for finding what's hot right now. TikTok actually curates a list of popular sounds, so you can easily see what's hot and what's not. This list is updated regularly, so you always have fresh content to work with. Once you've found a few sounds you love, it's time to get creative. Think about how you can use these sounds in a way that stands out. Think about how you can use the sound in a unique and engaging way. Maybe you can add a twist that no one has thought of yet. Maybe you can do a dance, a lip sync, a comedy skit, or even just a relatable video about your day. The possibilities are endless. The key is to put your own spin on the sound and make it your own. Personalization is what makes your content unique and memorable. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things until you find something that works for you. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn about what resonates with your audience. And remember, the more creative and entertaining your video is, the more likely it is to go viral. So, keep experimenting, stay creative, and most importantly, have fun with it. Okay, so you've got your awesome challenge ideas and you're using all the trending sounds, but guess what? Consistency is key. Like seriously, you can't just post once a month and expect to blow up. TikTok rewards those who show up regularly. You gotta treat your TikTok like it's your job because, let's be real, it could be. Think of it as a commitment to your audience. Think about it. When you're obsessed with a show, you binge watch it, right? You want more episodes, more drama, more everything. The same goes for your followers. It's the same with TikTok. When you post consistently, you're building a habit for your followers. You're giving your followers a reason to keep coming back for more. They start to expect and look forward to your content. Plus, the TikTok algorithm loves consistency. The more you post, the more the algorithm favors you. The more likely your videos are to be seen by more people. It's a cycle of visibility and engagement. It's all about staying on top of mind and keeping your content flowing. Regular posts keep you relevant, and keeping your content flowing. Now I know what you're thinking. Charlie, I'm busy. I can't be posting on TikTok 24/7. And you know what? That's totally fine. You don't need to be glued to your phone. You don't have to go crazy and post a million times a day. Quality over quantity, but with a consistent rhythm. Just find a posting schedule that works for you and stick to it. Consistency doesn't mean overloading yourself. Maybe it's once a day, or maybe it's every other day. Maybe it's 3 times a week, whatever it is, make it a habit. The key is to be predictable for your audience. Set reminders on your phone, use tools to help you stay on track. Plan out your content in advance, brainstorm ideas and keep a list. And treat it like it's an important appointment. Trust me, the more you plan, the easier it gets. The more consistent you are, the more your followers will engage with your content. The more your followers will engage with your content, and the more likely you are to go viral. So, stay consistent, keep creating, and watch your TikTok presence grow. Okay, so you're creating awesome content, you're using trending sounds, and you're posting consistently, but are you engaging with your followers? Because let me tell you, that's like the secret sauce to building a loyal and supportive fan base. Think about it, when you comment on someone's post or reply to their message, it makes them feel seen and heard, right? It shows that you actually care about what they have to say. And guess what? Your followers want that same energy from you. So make sure you're taking the time to respond to comments, answer questions, and even just give a quick shout out to your biggest fans. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a little something to show that you're paying attention. Another great way to engage with your followers is to ask them questions. Create polls, quandas, or even just ask a simple question in your video captions. This will encourage them to leave comments, share their thoughts, and feel like they're a part of the conversation. And here's a pro tip. Use your followers' comments and suggestions as inspiration for future content. This shows them that you're actually listening, and that their opinions matter to you. Remember, TikTok is all about building connections and having fun, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through and show your followers some love. Alright, let's talk collabs. You know those awesome videos where 2 TikTokers team up to create something epic? Yeah, those are not only super fun to make, but they're also a great way to reach a wider audience and boost your chances of going viral. Think about it, when you collaborate with another creator, you're essentially tapping into their fan base and introducing yourself to a whole new group of potential followers. It's like a win-win situation. So, how do you find the perfect collab partner? Well, start by looking for creators who have a similar style or audience to you. Maybe they create content in the same niche, or maybe they just have a vibe that you connect with. Once you've found a few creators you'd love to work with, reach out to them. Send them a DM, introduce yourself, and let them know why you think a collab would be awesome. Don't be afraid to pitch some creative ideas or brainstorm together. And when it comes to filming your collab, make sure you're both having fun and that your personalities shine through. The more genuine and authentic your video is, the more likely it is to resonate with viewers. Remember, collabs are all about teamwork and creativity, so find a partner who inspires you, come up with a killer concept, and let your imaginations run wild. There you have it, folks. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to TikTok stardom. Remember to be creative, have fun, and most importantly, be yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.